This is the Embrace Athletic Box number 1 that you're going to be receiving in pre-season. The first thing when you open your box you're going to receive is your overview sheet. The overview sheet is going to show you every item in the box, how many that you're going to receive, and what to do with each item in the box. The first item we're going to look at is the Coffee Bean book by John Gordon and Damon West. This is the book that the entire Embrace Year 1 boxes are inspired from. This is the book about overcoming adversity. It's a quick, easy read. It's a signed copy, and this is for the head coach, for you to be able to read and draw inspiration for your season. The next item in the box are coffee bean bracelets. You're going to be receiving 5 of these for the coaches. It's a visual reminder to wear this daily and be a coffee bean. Next up in the box is a motivational strategies booklets for your athlete. This booklet is for the coaches. It provides resources, strategies, ideas, ways to encourage and inspire your athletes. Next up, we all know that you guys have a parent meeting at the beginning of your season, so we wanted to provide you with something to be able to put in the hands of your parents. So with this parent sportsmanship guide, this is going to provide ideas and ways that parents can positively engage with you as the coach and their athlete throughout the season. It gives them sportsmanship ideas, ways that they should act at the stadium, field, at the games. It gives them some reflection questions to talk to with their athletes after the game, and also some discussion points about social media or concern protocol, talking to their athlete about issues before going directly to the athletic director. So again, these codes are to be passed out to the parents of your athletes. Next up, we've got 2 visual reminders. Again, just visually reminding you about being a coffee bean. These are the traits. We can control what we think, feel, say, and do. These are magnets for your coaching staff. And then we have a banner that could be put in the locker room, the coach's office, but it's a coffee bean visual of a Coffee Bean Nation banner. Last up, we want to make sure you know that all our digital resources are online. So to be able to flood the community with your social media handles, you can go here and find additional resources. That concludes the Box 1 Embrace Athletic Box.